First, you'll need to go to your Xbox settings, press the Xbox button on your controller. Then navigate to the gear icon labeled Settings. Inside Settings, select Account. In your account settings, choose Payment and Billing. Next, tap on Payment Options. This is where you manage all your payment methods. Select Add a credit or debit card. Even though it's a gift card, it works as a prepaid debit card here. Enter the 15-digit card number from the back of your American Express gift card also. Input the expiration date and the 4-digit security code, usually found under a scratch-off panel. You'll be asked for your billing address. Use the address associated with your Xbox account, not necessarily where you bought the gift card. After entering all the details, click Next or Save. Your American Express gift card should now be added to your Xbox payment methods. Now that your gift card is linked, you can visit the Xbox store to buy games, add-ons, subscriptions like Game Pass, or even movies and TV shows. At checkout, choose your newly added American Express gift card. As the payment option, the cost will be deducted directly from the card's balance. Having issues. A common problem is an unactivated card or insufficient funds. Make sure your card is activated and has enough balance. Sometimes, a small processing delay occurs, so try again in a few minutes if you see an error. That's it, you've successfully learned how to use your Amex gift card for your Xbox gaming. Happy gaming!